Hello, my name is Inbar, and I'm happy to present my final IoT project. You can see in the figure here the setup for my system, which includes a Raspberry Pi installed inside an integrated touchscreen box, a code scanner which is connected to the Pi via a USB port, and a QR cube. I'll start now with a short description of the project, continue with the system workflow and logic, and lastly, we'll show you some results. Here you can see my project topic and the motivation that have led me to build this system. Personally, in my family, we have found it hard to keep track on the groceries list, and we really needed some solution for this. So it is how I came up with the idea of building a system that would keep track and update the shopping list. The left figure shows a print screen of my database, and to the right, you can see a print screen of the shopping list, which is handled in the TickTick application. The system consists of three main components. A Raspberry Pi endpoint is the infrastructure which is responsible for the operation of the system. A mobile phone endpoint, which is basically a standard smartphone, and cloud services. Okay, so now I will discuss about the system workflow as experienced by the user, and it can be listed into three main steps. First, while shopping at a store, the user can access the shopping list from the cloud using the smartphone. And I use the TickTick application because it is simple and has a nice API. Second, when unpacking, the user needs to add the bought product codes to the inventory records. This can be done either by taking a picture from the smartphone and a picture of the receipt and then send it to the Pi using a Bluetooth connection. And the codes of each item are processed using an algorithm that I wrote. And alternatively, for a small number of products, the user can use the code scanner. And third, for everyday use, the user removed the product from the inventory by scanning its code before throwing it to the trash. Note that whenever the inventory is updated, the system also updates the shopping list, so it will be ready for the next time someone is going to the store. For simplicity, instead of developing a graphical user interface, the interaction is done using the QR cube, which contains 6 codes. 4 of them are the user modes: process new receipt, adding or removing an item, and exit the system. And 2 are possible user responses. The user can either accept or reject. So for the result, I'm showing you here the logs for removing or adding an item. For conveniency, I use different color for each mode. For example, the red color here is for removing an item. On this example, the user is removing a Greek yogurt, and as a result, the shopping list is automatically updated, as you can see it here. At first, we didn't have the Greek yogurt, and you can see also the hour it happened. Immediately, the Greek yogurt was added after I removed it. And on this example, the user sent an image of a new receipt, and the upper figure is popped for an item that wasn't included yet in the database. And below is the updated database, and it contained automatically the item that was added. Lastly, I've listed further possible development of this system. And this is it. Thank you very much for listening.